William, hopefully your favorite videographer from Two Hats Publishing. I welcome you to another Two Hats special of community events. Let's look in and see what's really happening.
No, ladies and gentlemen, this is now a rerun of the Alfred Hitchcock's The Birds. Let's see if we can get in there nice and tight. All these trees are just chock full of birds. I don't know what the calling is. If there's a whole bunch of insects here to bring them here, there's a good eat. Unless it's just kind of a place out of the wind and maybe a nice warm spot. I haven't the vaguest idea. But they are certainly noisy. These are large birds. Let's see if we get a little closer in there. Oh, that's the wrong way. These are not sparrows. They are just plain noisy, and you definitely don't want to take a walk underneath these trees. You're risking your clothes, your head, and everything else in between, because I'm sure each one comes with a laser-guided weapon. Let's call it that. All right. We're at the East Transfer Center over here in Dallas. We just kind of stopped by and say hello. We heard all this clutter and rock and noise, and we thought we'd just take a look at it and see what is causing all this ruckus, trying to figure out what is calling all these birds. We're just looking at a small portion of it. Let's see, walk around here so we don't get anybody upset. We are surrounded with trees, and we are going from tree to tree to tree to tree and trying to find the best roost, nice warmest place, and all that good stuff. All right, William Dockery, Two Hats Publishing at East Transfer Center, Dallas, Texas. All right, have a great one, folks.
This is William, hopefully your favorite videographer from Two Hats Publishing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please leave comments below, or like, follow, or subscribe to us and get notices of all our videos. We love it, even when you call.